Recent studies show that COVID-19 has accelerated e-commerce growth by up to 6 years. Even in the B2B space, today's customers demand a first-class online shopping experience. They expect your site to be every bit as modern and easy to use as their favorite B2C sites. So if your storefront still looks sort of like this, let EasyAsk completely transform it into something that looks like this. Your fully responsive storefront site will work flawlessly on any device, giving you complete B2C functionality in a B2B world. Customers can quickly and easily find what they're looking for with search as you type functionality. And the best part? We do all the work. Simply provide us access to your storefront server and we deliver your revamped next-generation e-commerce site within 60 days. All without draining your IT resources and at a fraction of the cost of replacing your platform. Join dozens of storefront clients who are driving significantly more revenue with EasyAsk Direct. Get started today.